Hello guys, let me show you how to create notes on the calendar on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get started. But first, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So for this we're gonna need this S Pen, which goes in a complete with this device, and calendar app. Let's find it in the menu and launch. Now you can draw, trace and make notes. For example, draw a heart for February 14th or write vacation for the day you plan to take a vacation. Just click this little icon with a pen and let's draw a heart next to February 14th. Great. Now you can also write something just like this. You want to erase all of your drawings, writings, and for example change color of a pen to this blue one, and let's write again just like this. And now if you want to save it, just click this save button and all your notes will be saved automatically and the calendar will look just the way you want it to. So that's all for now. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.